how to withdraw your money from eToro. In this quick video, I will show you how to withdraw money from eToro. Please note nothing in this video is financial advice, and if you want financial advice, you should seek a licensed professional. Also, if you're looking for a beginner's tutorial on how to use eToro, I've placed a more in-depth video in the description below. So to withdraw, click on Withdraw Funds in the left-hand menu. The minimum amount you can withdraw is $30. Also, the fees will vary depending on which eToro club level you are on. If you are on bronze, silver or gold, the fee is $5 per withdrawal. If you are on platinum or above, this fee is waived. So you want to key in the amount you want to withdraw. So I'm just going to say 30. Then you press next. You can then choose to withdraw to the account that you use to fund your balance. And to withdraw your money, you would press submit. When you press submit, unfortunately, this won't process instantly, and it will take anywhere from 2 to 10 business days to get back to your account. While it says 2 business days though, I did this on Sunday afternoon and my money was in my account by Monday morning when I woke up. So I presume this is a worst case scenario. So that is how to withdraw money from eToro to your bank account. If you want more eToro tutorials, check out my eToro tutorials playlist. If you got any value from this video, then please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell as I upload new finance and crypto related content every week. And if you're new to investing, you may be wondering why people lose money in the stock market. So I recommend watching this video next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.